welcome back to another update. Today is February 23 and I'm on my phone. So, let me show you what's happening. It's about 9:10 a.m. The market has been open since 6:30 Pacific time. So, there was a couple things that happened. Um, it continues to be a red day, but the good thing is I made some money. Now, let me before I get into that, I want to show you. Um, all right. Well, actually, I'll just jump into it now. So this is some of the calls I currently have, and if you saw um, my last video, I purchased a SPY contract. Now, if you scroll down here, where's my contract? All right. So as you can see here, on yesterday's video, I purchased a contract predicting that the market was going to go down. See, as you can see here, I bought it put. So I predicted it was going to go down below $387.50. I bought the contract for $284, and this morning, of course, everything went down. And well, even though it's not happy that it went down, but in realistic, that is what I predicted, and I made some money. So, as you can see here on this contract, and I sold it this morning too. It went down, and of course, it made me a profit of, well, I made a total of $673. We sold it at a limit price of $673. So remember, I bought it for keep forgetting. All right, I bought it for $284, sold it for $633. So we made a profit about 300 and change, which is not bad. Again, we bought this yesterday, and we sold it this morning. Took home over $300. So that was a good day. Well, for that one at least. So let's go back. I did buy another option. This one was a little bit more expensive. So we go back to the home page here. I bought, where's that? Okay, so this one. All right, so I bought ticker PLTR, and this is a technology company that it's getting a lot of attention. They're saying that this is the next Tesla and whatnot. So I kind of did buy into the hype. However, if you look at the numbers of the last 3 months, this stock has been like, it has jumped. Like, I mean, look at this. This is in January 20th. It was already at $32, $35, and I think the highest point was like 38. Here we go. Like February 8th, which was last week, and it was at $38, and then it dropped. There was a dip, and everyone did warn you about the dip. See, the dip was here at 24.66. Oh, actually, I'll take that back. All right, it was at $24, which was low. So I figured, you know what? Since this stock has been this low, and a couple last week was over $30, so my prediction is that's going to go up. So if we scroll down here, you can see the contract I bought. I bought 4 contracts. I'm trying to see if I can show you exact. And I paid. All right, so here it is. All right, so I bought a contract for predicting that it's going to go up, and the expiration date I selected was March 5th. Okay, I bought it at $1.87 per contract times times 4, because I bought 4 contracts. Remember, each contract is 100 shares. So I bought 4 contracts. That's $400. So I spent $732 this morning. Now, as you can see, I'm currently down. I'm currently down $72 as it continues to drop. But I'm going to show you guys a way to help eliminate your losses. So, for example, notice I'm down $72, right? So I'm gonna go and click trade, and then I'm gonna go sell. So what I'm doing now, I'm gonna put what it's called. If you click on this little gear on the top right corner, this one right here, like I said, I'm on my phone. So if I'm looking down, just looking at my phone. So if we click on the little gear, see what it says here? It gives you an option to put a stop price. It triggers a limit order if the ask price falls to that stop price. Okay, so we're gonna click this, and then we're gonna go put good till cancel, because obviously, you don't want it just for 24 hours. So we can put good to cancel. Now we go back here, and I'm gonna put the 4 contracts I have. Okay, and then on the stop price, okay, this is the price that if it falls down to this price, this is where Robinhood, you're telling Robinhood to sell it if it gets to this low. Okay, so it's at $1.63 right now. So I'm gonna predict that if it drops to $1.40, okay, and then what you want to do is once you type in the stop price, you want to copy the same down here, $1.40. Okay, so now look, see how it gave me a credit. So this is telling me that, okay, if it drops this much, I'm still gonna walk away with $560 credit. So yeah, I spent $700 and change on this contract. However, this will at least help me not lose all my money for the fact that we put a stop price on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and review it. Oh, let me see here. All right, so I guess I could only do this tomorrow. Let me go back. All right, as you can call, Robinhood flagged me as a platinum trader for the fact that I'm not allowed to. Well, you're allowed 3 times a week to trade within the same day. So, for instance, you will not get this error message unless you've been flagged as well. So that's how this works. So I could put in this request to sell at 140 tomorrow morning if I wanted to. But for you, if you hit review or swipe up, it should give you the option to put that stop limit. Okay. And again, remember, you're only allowed to trade and sell 3 times a week per day. And that's the only thing I don't like about Robinhood. Well, actually, it's not Robinhood per se. It's just the law the way. There's a video I put on there when I got flagged. But anyways, unless if you have $25,000 or more in your account, you could day trade as many times as you want. However, for us people who have less than 25,000, you can only do it 3 times a week. So as you can see, it wouldn't let me do it here. But tomorrow is where I will put it on, and hopefully it doesn't drop the 140. So let's go back. Go here and cancel this. All right, but that's how you do it. So that's how you're able to put a stop limit. So if you think it's gonna go down, put a limit, at least get some of your money back. Now, if we scroll up here, this is some of the options I currently have. Not that great. Here is Dropbox. As you can see here, Dropbox. I need this to go to $24. I need Starbucks to go to $1.05. I need Walmart to go $1.37, and I need Apple to go to $1.30 in order for me to gain some of my money. Now, the downside to options is that the closer you get to the expiration date, the payout continues to decay. So it just keeps going down. So, I mean, there's no point of me selling yet. For example, the Starbucks here that I'm down. This is one of the contracts. See how I bought it for $260, and I'm currently only $16 worth of this contract. It expires on Friday, so I mean, there's no point in me canceling it now. I mean, I'll cancel it maybe Thursday night, before the market closes. But I'm just hoping that it goes back up to 105, and it is very possible because earlier today, if we go back here today, it's $1.79 right now, but earlier today was $1.03. So I mean, it could get that jump, And the cool thing about when it goes down like this, people tend to buy in because they call this what is called a dip. So people feel, okay, let's buy a dip because it's so low. That's what's happening here, with a PLTR. That, remember, it was at over $30. It dropped to $24 here, and then people are trying to get in because that's low. and then it's gonna rise back up. So I mean, we're not that far. Hopefully, we start making some money. Oh look, as we were doing this video, remember I was down. Now I'm up $8. Well, it just went away. But see, the market continues to move around. So, I mean, the cool thing is I got this contract to March 5th. So we have a whole week, almost 2 weeks for it to pass that the amount the 26.50. So we're not that far. I mean, we're only off what 39 cents. And then once it passes, I mean, we just wanted to keep going. And now if it could go all the way back to 30 something dollars, oh, we'll make some good money. But overall, that's it. Do me a favor, take this time right now and hit the subscribe button as I continue this journey. And again, I'm showing you my winnings and my losses. So, this is what the market is. I mean, it is what it is. So hopefully tomorrow I'll do another video and I could probably make some money. So today was a decent day because I was able to cash out. So, and hopefully I could say the same thing tomorrow. So again, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Take this quick second. Come on, just hit the subscribe button, hit the like. I want to get this video out to more people since I just started the channel. If you look at my previous videos, I'm going to 2 weeks running this channel, and I'm trying to post every day. So if I get a lot of likes, comments, I will continue to post, and hopefully you can learn from me and learn from my mistakes for your gains. All right, thank you so much.